All right, my people, welcome back onto this channel. Well, this is another strong one reaching us. Still on the matter, Yoruba nation not going back. Exactly what it is, exactly what the people are still talking about. We have a lot of tax as a Yoruba people. Well, a lot of things had actually been said. Professor Banji Akintoye had, given us some few words of encouragement and then way forward about Yoruba nation movement, and then I am going to chip in some of the greatest points he issued. My brother, my sister, this is no longer a joke. We already know what is going on in the country. We already know what we are facing. It's not something we should joke with. Yes, he said a lot of things, and then right now a lot of people do have actually congratulated and then acknowledged his effort. It's a great one. Onto this one, Professor Banji Akintoye had made it clear that the Yorubas should not be happy that a Yoruba man was elected as Nigerian president. If you're out there, you're saying, because the person there is a Yoruba man, so we are free. He said, don't get it twisted that Nigerians are not free. Don't get it twisted. The Yorubas are not yet free. Yes, that even as it stands, a lot of people have seen it, that the coming in of Bola Ahmed Tinubu as a president has not in any way favored the Yoruba people. Except we are deceiving ourselves. Except we are deceiving ourselves. He said it has not in any way favored us. Because as it stands, in fact, the worst is still happening. Killing has been the order of the day. They are still kidnapping our people, stopping our elderly ones from going to their farmlands, raping our people, raping our women. It's still happening. People are being killed on a daily basis, my brother, my sister. Then why are we jubilating? Don't jubilate at all. We must look for a way to send them out of our land. I'm just quoting Professor Banji Akintoye. I'm trying to paraphrase. According to what he made clear, he had said that the Fulani, up to now, they have put it upon themselves. They have made up their minds to Fulanize the nation, Nigeria. So why will a serious Yoruba person or a reasonable Yoruba person still be sitting down and be waiting to see if it will be fine or it will be better? That now takes me back to the people talking about one Nigeria, one Nigeria. With all these things that are happening, some people are still so gullible to say they believe in one Nigeria. Bola Ahmed Tinubu was just inaugurated as the president. Not up to 2 months, a lot of people are crying that they prefer the last government that almost killed everybody. Now that's what they are saying. That they prefer the regime of Buhari. A lot of them are crying. Ìdàbí pé regime Buhari yìí òun ló wá dájú báyìí o. Everybody is crying that they prefer corruption. They prefer punishment. We're talking about the regime of Buhari. And song by pé ìjọba Buhari ó le koko. Ẹ̀mí àwọn èèyàn ti fẹ́ bọ́. Ìyà pọ̀, kò sówó, kò síná, kò sọ́nà. Gbogbo di nǹkan tá lè fẹ́nu pè. But right now, àwọn èèyàn wá jáde síta lẹ́yìn tí ẹni tí wọ́n dìbò fún, ọmọ Yorùbá tán dìbò fún, lẹ́yìn tó ti ṣe wọ́n lọ́ṣẹ́. Ní báyìí oníkálùkù wá ń pariwo. Ṣé ìjọba Buhari ò adájọ́ lébi? At least ní ìjọba Buhari ìyà ò pọ̀ tó yìí, ìyà yẹn ò pọ̀ tó yìí. Èèyàn Yorùbá bíi tiwa tá rò bóyá tó bá wọlé nǹkan á rọgbọ. Ní báyìí kò sí ṣíṣe kò sáìṣe o. Yoruba nation nìkan ló lè ṣe. Well, a lot of them have actually said a lot of things about this. A lot of people are complaining bitterly that it is better we take our Yoruba nation jejely. Then going back to Professor Banji Akintoye, he made it clear that the last Buhari regime had given the Fulani killer, the bandits, and all of them have given them edge to even come to the country even without visa. That in the north, about 37 borders gates of the north are opened for these people to come in, and then immediately they come in, they give them visa. They nationalize them automatically. My brother, my sister, and you are there. You are saying, oh, one Nigeria, knowing fully well that this constitution, 1999 constitution, is of the northerners, which will definitely favor them. So why are we deceiving ourselves? He made mention of many things. Don't jubilate yet, oh. Don't jubilate yet. In fact, don't even jubilate at all, because this man there, as a Yoruba man, is not for the Yoruba people. If you think, oh, it will favor us, if it will actually favor the people, then I don't think in this regime there should have been any killing in Yoruba land, and the president is mute about it. He cannot tell us. He has not heard about that. That's exactly what we're saying. It's only the good Lord that will help us. Majority of things are actually happening, and we all need to voice out. Yes, we all need to voice out. We have suffered as a race tremendously, according to the word of Professor Banji Akintoye. We must not keep quiet. Yes, my brother, my sister, a lot of things had actually been said. Majority of people have actually still reacted. Somebody is of the opinion that I think Bola Tinubu is one of the Fulani people. Tinubu and Obasanjo have sold Yoruba people to Fulani and Hausa. I don't believe Tinubu is part of Yoruba. Things don't blast. Last. Well, my brother, my sister, we all got the information. That's exactly what we are actually talking about. You see, a lot of things have gone wrong. Yoruba nation is the only way that can make everything fine. And meanwhile, this set of this Yoruba nation movement itself has everything it takes to leave the country. Yes, it has everything it takes to leave the country, but we don't know what is happening. It's only the good Lord that will help us, and then we ourselves will still have to keep saying it. We must keep talking about it till they will understand that these people actually meant what they've been saying, and exactly what it is. The good Lord will continue to help us all. Yoruba nation, no going back. What more can we say? Meanwhile, let me have your own take, my people, on this one, and remember to subscribe for more updates if you are just joining us on this channel for the first time. All right, thanks and God bless.